Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. At this time the Chiliz holder is doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. Anyways, in this video I will also talk about the price of Chiliz, the price since okay in the Chiliz, and what's the next move from the Chiliz. I will show you friends in this video, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And after you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways, if we talk about the currently this time price of the Chiliz, so the currently this time price of the Chiliz is 0.450323 USD is the current price of the Chiliz. And the other hand, if we talk about the price change okay in the Chiliz, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price change is going negative friends. Simply that the whole changes occur in the Chiliz and the previous time and this time friends, this negative friends. Let's see the price chart for a better understanding. As you can see here, at this time the holder is doing a very big mistake, especially on this point and especially in the last 1 hour, as I showed that the whole changes occur in the Chiliz. So that is why a lot of holders doing a big mistake. They don't understand that after a falls there is a jump. That is why they want to sell Chiliz coin friends in this time friends. So please, if you are a holder of Chiliz, so please try to understand that that is a temporary phase of the Chiliz. After 1 day, after 2 days, they again take a jump, they again start moving upward friends. So don't sell it and don't do this mistake at this time friends. It's time to hold Chiliz token, and I hope that they will give you good amount of profit in the future. What's your prediction? My prediction is very positive about the Chiliz token. That is why I'm very happy today for this. Anyways, if we look the price, it's okay the Chiliz in the last 24 hour and the last one day, so negative 1.5%, positive change okay, negative change okay in the Chiliz. But as you can see here, this time the Chiliz taken the jump, so that's a good news that very soon the price will become positive friends. And if we look the highest price, so the highest price is 0.463865 USD is the highest price of the Chiliz in the 24-hour friends. Absolutely, this is a good news. Please, it's time to hold, not to sell. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe every section for more this kind of news and updates.